Can a single meme coin make you a millionaire? The answer might surprise you. This week in the wild world of meme coins, Doge and WIF stumbled, showing slight declines, but Fartcoin shocked the market with an incredible 200% surge. This only proves how unpredictable and profitable meme coins can be in a bull market if you pick the right ones. The meme coin space is heating up, and missing out on the top projects now could mean watching others turn tiny investments into fortunes. In today's video, we're diving deep into the only 7 meme coins you need to watch if you want to join the Millionaire Club this bull run. These coins have massive potential, and some of them could explode to 100x gains or more. Don't blink. These projects are gaining momentum fast, and the window of opportunity is closing. Stay tuned until the very end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss the next big crypto gem. Enough talking? Let's join Crypto Hunt and get straight into the video. And also, don't forget to subscribe. SUNDOG stands out not only for its playful branding, but also for its solid market presence and active use in decentralized ecosystems. Operating in the meme coin and utility token space, SUNDOG has carved a niche for itself with strong trading volume and a rapidly growing user base. Ranked in the top 500 cryptocurrencies, it's gaining popularity as a token that balances fun with functionality. What makes SUNDOG unique is its limited supply of 1 billion tokens, with almost all circulating. This scarcity, combined with a strong community, creates steady demand and solidifies its position in the market. Unlike some meme tokens, SUNDOG focuses on integration with decentralized applications, dApps, adding real utility to its fun reputation. SUNDOG's real-world uses include tipping, microtransactions, and staking, with growing adoption in various decentralized platforms. Its active social media presence also ensures strong community engagement, keeping the token relevant and highly traded. With a market cap of $117.96 million, SUNDOG demonstrates significant potential. Compared to similarly ranked tokens like Floki Inu, SUNDOG stands out with higher liquidity and better integration into decentralized platforms, making it more appealing for long-term use. If SUNDOG continues its trajectory, it could 2x or 3x, pushing its price to 24 cents to 36 cents in the next bullish run. For investors, SUNDOG offers a balanced mix of excitement and utility. Start small, monitor adoption trends, and diversify to manage risks. This dog might just be your best crypto friend. PNUT combines quirky branding with real utility, making it a standout in the altcoin and decentralized finance (DeFi) space. PNUT operates at the intersection of DeFi and gamified finance, offering users a fun yet practical token that powers decentralized applications and ecosystems. Ranked among the top 150 cryptocurrencies, PNUT is proving that even a token with a playful image can deliver serious results. What makes PNUT unique is its scarcity and full circulating supply. With a total and circulating supply of 999.85 million tokens, PNUT's entire market is live and actively traded, which creates a dynamic and transparent ecosystem for investors and users alike. Its ability to integrate with DeFi platforms and provide governance functionality makes it more than just a playful token. It's a powerful tool. In real-world use, PNUT enables DeFi interactions, staking, and governance voting, giving users control over the development of its ecosystem. Its partnerships with other decentralized projects further expand its reach and utility. With a market cap of $809.93 million and active trading volume of $644.21 million, PNUT is highly liquid and competitive. Compared to similar DeFi tokens like AAAV, PNUT offers a lighter entry point with equally strong market activity. Pricing humor: if squirrels can stash nuts for winter, PNUT holders might just be stashing their way to riches. With its current trajectory, PNUT could 2x or even 4x, pushing prices to $1.60 to $3.20 in a bullish market. For investors, PNUT offers a unique blend of fun and finance. It's a solid choice for DeFi enthusiasts looking for something innovative, yet grounded in strong fundamentals. Start small, follow the trends, and watch this squirrel climb. PEPE is a meme coin that has taken the crypto world by storm, inspired by one of the internet's most iconic characters. It's ranked among the top 30 cryptocurrencies, thriving in the meme token space with massive trading volumes and strong community engagement. PEPE isn't about complex technology. It's about community-driven hype, playful trading, and the fun of being part of a cultural phenomenon. What makes PEPE stand out is its enormous supply of 420.68 trillion tokens, ensuring it's affordable and highly liquid for traders. Its simplicity, viral appeal, and active community make it a favorite among meme coin enthusiasts. While PEPE doesn't offer traditional utility, it's widely used for trading, tipping, and participating in meme-driven promotions. Its vibrant community keeps the token trending across exchanges and social media platforms, proving that sometimes fun can be as powerful as functionality in the crypto world. With a market cap of $8.21 billion and almost all of its supply circulating, PEPE's value is driven by its community and market momentum rather than utility. Looking ahead, if the meme coin market continues to thrive, PEPE has the potential to 2x or even 5x, bringing its price to $0.000004 or more in the next bull run. However, its success heavily relies on continued community interest and viral traction. For investors, PEPE is a high-risk, high-reward token. Only invest what you're willing to lose, follow its community closely, and enjoy the ride. It's all about having fun while embracing the meme culture. Neko Shiro is a unique cryptocurrency that blends the charm of meme culture with real utility, making it stand out in the competitive crypto market. Operating within the meme token space, Shiro is more than just a playful project. It's aiming to integrate with platforms and tools that give it genuine use. Ranked among the top 300 cryptocurrencies, Shiro has gained traction as both a fun and functional token, backed by a growing and loyal community. What makes Shiro truly unique is its massive supply of 1 quadrillion tokens, all of which are fully circulating. This ensures high liquidity and affordability, making it accessible to both new and seasoned investors. Shiro's approach of combining meme culture with utility-focused development allows it to stand out from the crowd, offering a token that's easy to trade while having real-world applications. In practice, Shiro is designed for microtransactions, tipping, and community rewards, and it's gaining recognition for its potential integration into decentralized apps, or dApps, and Web3 ecosystems. Its strong branding and active community make it an attractive option for platforms looking for partnerships. With a market cap of $282.72 million, Shiro has built a solid foundation, and its price is tied closely to its community's growth and adoption. If the project continues to gain traction, Shiro has the potential to 3x to 5x, reaching a price of $0.0015 or higher in a strong market cycle. For investors, Shiro represents a mix of risk and reward. It's affordable and promising, but as with any meme token, volatility is high. Start small, keep an eye on its adoption updates, and enjoy being part of its journey. What if you could own a piece of the ultimate crypto movement? Meet DEGEN, a token built for the boldest in the game. DEGEN is not just a token, it's a representation of the unapologetic, high-risk, high-reward culture in the crypto space. Designed for those who thrive on fast trades and quick opportunities, DEGEN is a perfect fit for crypto enthusiasts who love to live on the edge. DEGEN holds a strong position in the meme coin and speculative token markets, offering a platform for traders looking to capitalize on short-term moves. Ranked among the top 350 cryptocurrencies, it has gained attention for its active community and volatile yet rewarding trading environment. What sets DEGEN apart is its flexible tokenomics and liquidity, with a total supply of 36.96 billion tokens and a circulating supply of 14.17 billion. This ensures enough availability for rapid trading while maintaining a level of scarcity that drives price action. DEGEN thrives on speculation, backed by a dedicated community that fuels its hype and demand. In real-world use, DEGEN is primarily a trading token, perfect for quick flips, staking rewards, and participation in high-risk, high-reward opportunities. Its growing presence across social media platforms has solidified its brand as the go-to token for daring traders. With a market cap of $171.11 million, DEGEN shows strong potential for growth. In a bullish market, it could easily 2x to 5x, reaching a price of $0.024 to 6 cents as adoption and trading volumes increase. For investors, DEGEN is all about calculated risks. Start with a small investment, track the community closely, and always be ready. Before continuing with this topic, I want to emphasize the importance of staying informed about market information and avoiding scams in the cryptocurrency market. Join my free Crypto Hunt Telegram group for up-to-date information, videos, market conditions, and to not miss out on the latest $0 airdrop opportunity that I'll be updating exclusively on my Telegram channel that no one else is talking about. Now, let's get back to the video. AIC combines the power of AI with blockchain to create a futuristic token that's more than just hype. Its utility and growth potential wrapped into one. Operating in the AI and utility token space, AIC aims to integrate artificial intelligence solutions into Web3, bringing automation, personalization, and intelligence to decentralized applications. Ranked in the top 500 cryptocurrencies, AIC is steadily building a name for itself among tech-focused investors. What makes AIC unique is its AI-powered applications and decentralized governance. It's not just a token, it's a gateway to smarter dApps and personalized tools that let users interact with Web3 in intuitive and efficient ways. This blend of AI and blockchain sets it apart from more traditional utility tokens. AIC's real-world uses include AI-driven bots, personalized Web3 experiences, and governance tools, creating a unique ecosystem where technology meets usability. The project is focused on making AI accessible to everyone, while incentivizing users with rewards and tools. With a market cap of $97.96 million and a circulating supply of 749.99 million AIC, the token shows strong fundamentals. While slightly smaller than AI tokens like SingularityNet, AIC offers better accessibility and faster adoption in its ecosystem. Pricing humor. If AIC grows as fast as AI learns, we might need a robot to count our profits. AIC could easily 3x to 5x, pushing its price to 40 cents to 65 cents as adoption accelerates. For investors, AIC is a mix of tech and fun. Start small, enjoy the AI-powered potential, and watch as the token evolves in the exciting world of Web3. Could a penguin lead your portfolio to new heights? Meet Pudgy penguins, PENGU, the adorable token that's making serious waves in crypto. PENGU is not just about cute branding, it's a utility-driven token with strong community backing and a foothold in the NFT and gaming spaces. Operating in the NFT and digital collectibles market, Pudgy Penguins has carved out a niche as a token that powers its iconic NFT ecosystem. Ranked in the top 100 cryptocurrencies, PENGU continues to attract both investors and enthusiasts who believe in the fusion of art, community, and crypto. What sets PENGU apart is its integration with NFTs and decentralized gaming, offering holders access to exclusive collectibles, staking rewards, and ecosystem governance. With a total supply of 88.88 million tokens and a circulating supply of 62.41 million, PENGU's scarcity fuels demand while rewarding its vibrant community. PENGU is used for purchasing NFTs, staking, and powering its gaming ecosystem, allowing users to benefit from both the financial and entertainment aspects of the crypto world. Its partnerships with major NFT platforms enhance its appeal and strengthen its position in the market. With a market cap of $2.01 billion, PENGU stands out compared to similar NFT-focused tokens like Axie Infinity, offering a lower price entry and a strong brand identity. Pricing humor. If PENGU keeps climbing, you might just waddle your way to financial freedom. PENGU could easily 2x to 4x, reaching 6 cents to 12 cents in the next bullish run, driven by NFT adoption and gaming growth. For investors, PENGU is a delightful mix of fun and potential. Start small, track its ecosystem updates, and let these penguins guide you through the crypto icebergs. For investors, building a diversified investment portfolio is crucial. Simultaneously, maintaining investment psychology by not panicking during market fluctuations is important. Capital management is also critical, as investments should align with financial capabilities and specific investment goals. Profits and losses are inevitable in financial investments. However, Investing time and belief in ourselves is always a gain. If you find this video helpful, you might also want to watch this one to better understand the market and what is worth investing your time. Now, catch you on the next video.